Okay, so now that I have frothed my milk, you can't really see, but I frothed it and warmed it up. I have some coffee grind in here. I use the tool that they've given me to push it down. Supposedly it helps with a good coffee. And then click it in. You definitely need 2 hands for this. You hold it and then push it in and click it in all the way in. I put a nice big cup of coffee in here. Well, it's not going to fit, so that's good to know, obviously. So pour it into, let's see, another cup, and hold it for 3 seconds as mentioned in the manual for more liquid. It says for 2 cups, but I like a large amount of coffee, so hold it down for 3 seconds. And then sometimes I like, because I want more coffee, I'll do it one more time. And all right, so I'm going to do it again. Press it for 3 seconds. And it might do it again. There we go. It's heating up, and then it will make one more round with the same coffee grind. This is something that isn't really recommended, but I like a larger cup of coffee, not an espresso. There we have it.
So right now that should have started blinking, and this gauge should have started showing pressure. But it did neither of those things, and it just stayed on as if it was done. And it never built any pressure. And if we open, here it's just gonna start spilling water and no steam. Because why would it have steam if there is no pressure?